Ladies and gentlemen, it's another beautiful day here in New York City. I'm back in the studio in Brooklyn because of how strong the sun is. Can't really film outside, but I do have something to tell you. The tie is off, and that can only mean one thing. It's time for happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they saw moderate gains Wednesday with the S&P 500 trading not far from its record high, just minutes from the Fed's last meeting, showing some Fed officials want a relatively prompt rate hike based on the economy's progress. Otherwise, it's been a relatively eventless day with an empty economic calendar and focus instead turning to earnings. This as shares of Target turned higher despite missing its targets. And the retailer went on to report quarterly earnings below expectations, and it also cut its forecast for the full year. At the same time, Lowe's, that reported earnings that topped expectations. You could say that it constructed some gains, but it also trimmed its guidance for full-year sales growth. Now, for every 2 shares rising, roughly 3 fell over at the New York Stock Exchange, and let's now take a look to see how the markets performed more than halfway through the trading week. And a bit more on the corporate front today, shares of Apple fluctuating after rising to an all-time high of $100.77 a share, and shares of International Rectifier jumping after Germany's Infineon Technology said that it would acquire the US-based semiconductor company for about $3 billion in cash. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. We're more than halfway through the week, guys. And because the Champions League is going on, and because I have somebody that's French and he's a big fan of the team working with me, I will say, go Lille Olympique Sporting Club. That's right, go LOSC. That's for you, kid. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.